awards. Ban na ban.
Pwede mo pilo niya.
Oh,
Okay lang, libre lang.
expert ko naman gud.
Ayan, yun mo lang. Let him.
Pero ang sayo maayo. Baguhan dog. Bye.
Life, man.
Volleyball.
Ito sa explanation anong ga uniform mo.
W.
Para si Bayang gusto na para may balan daw mga vlogger dito sa Cover 7.
Hoy, gino-offer
Entitled.
na lang yung
Para mag-order pa ako dito. Relaxing out. So baby, closer in. Rob vlog, you.
Nice eye.
You right here. You're like the low. You see the wolf, the meme. Pa more. Where we at?
We are at top of the mountain.
Ciao no morning.
A great detox here. We got stranded.
Everything has a reason. Let's go. Stranded? No problem. Yeah, free water. Blessing in disguise.
Got stranded, bro. So we just got back because you see that video, we just got stuck there and we can't go home, so we're just gonna stay here for the night. We're gonna wait till the rain stops. We just got stranded. We're just gonna sleep here. And life, everything has a reason. And yeah, it's kind of cold, but yeah. May pa t-shirt to.
Big shit, bro. You can't handle.
Basa.
You can't handle. The cold.
So cold here. The weather.
My pet.
What are you eating?
Fish. Skin.
So,
maka-addict ba ni?
panit yun sa isda.
Saan siya lang kubas sa bulbul ba?
Itadakimasu. Dinner time.
Dinner time.
Yapong.
Yapong. Sige, isgot. Madali matulog. Ay, sila kasi mag-buntisan siya po. Dapat mo.
Ay, pabuntis ha?
We'll sleep now.
We're gonna sleep now. We're gonna pray before sleep. Let's get out. Asang bag, bro?
Ari to yung ibili naman sa lamesa. Yaoy.
Wala ito?
Pato dito.
Ha?
Ito, kawiring.
Ito ang guguling.
Top of the morning with a great view.
Lami, oh. Matagal ito yun niya po eh.
A coffee.
Great
view.
view.
We at the Jurassic Park. You can see the Jurassic Park there. We're gonna go home now. we stranded. We sleep here last night and I go back to town. And it's a great morning. Another reason why to live life. Just where, bro?
Hell no. Sila Mark Benlero on this shit.
Been there.
Tulog ko lang mami. Tulog ko lang at pabird. Mga sa pabird guys, dito tulong ko dapat sa ero. Ikaw diha oy.
We out here, finna go home now. We after we stranded here last night, we trying to cross the bridge, but it just flooded. So we sleep here. And we're gonna go down now to town. And it's a great morning to start. Beautiful morning. Just gonna go out. Bye, Apong. Just sleep here.
Chat lang. Ay, sabihin, mami niya.